Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So friends, our first lesson is be the best. From that lesson name only we understand that how important is this lesson. The name of the lesson is be the best. First of all, we will try to understand the meaning of be the best. Be the best means whatever you will do, whatever you are doing or whatever you can do, that should be best. From this lesson's title we understand that our work should be best. Whatever we do, that should be best. We are going to start our lesson, be the best. First of all, I will read each stanza. After reading one stanza, I will explain it for you, and then after I will explain another stanza. So first stanza, be the best. If you can't be a pine on a top of the hill, be a scrub in the valley, but be the best little scrub by the side of the rill. Be a bush if you can't be a tree, be the best if you are. Be the best. The things or the works, whatever you will do, that should be best. What can you do that should be best? Your work should be best. Automatically you also will be best. If you can't be a pine on a top of the hill, if you cannot be on the top of the hill, it means the poet Douglas Malloch defines that if you are not to be get great success, if you are not a great person, at least you should be a small, intelligent or clever little curious boy. So from this sentence we understand that, see, if you can't be a pine on a top of the hill, तुम्ही जरी हिल वरती एक पाइन झाड नसल तरीही be a scrub in the valley. Be a scrub in the valley. If you are not a biggest intelligent person in the world, or if you are not a most successful person, but whatever you are, you should be the best. If you are not doing any job, if you are a student, if you are a poor student, if you are a poor boy, if you are a farmer or if you are a carpenter or if you are a teacher, whatever you are, but be the best. Your work should be the best. From this next line, see, be the best little scrub by a side of the rail. Be a bush if you can't be a tree. If you can't be a tree, be the bush. Bush means grass. It can be identified like grass, or it is also identified as grass. So friends, if you are not like a tree, you should be like a bush. See how the poet is explaining us about our life. If you are not a pine on the hill, top of the hill, you should be a scrub in the valley, but you should be the best. And then after he is explaining that if you are not a tree, you should be a bush, but you should be a best in that whatever you do. So then after we will see our second stanza. If you can't be a bush, be a bit of grass and some highway happier make. If you are musky, then be a bass, but leave least bass in the lake. See, if you can't be a bush, be a bit of grass. If you are not a bush, bush means it is a type of plant like a peach tree, like that trees, but it's a big bush. It is known as bush. If you are not a bush, then you should be a little bit of grass, but you should be best in that. The things or the works, whatever you will do, that should be best of you. And some highway happier make. If you are not a bush, you should be a little bit of grass, but you should make everyone happier. Here the highway example of highway is given, but the poet actually wants to tell that you should be a best person, and whatever you do, that should be best. and he tell us keep everyone happy here, and some highway happier make it mean you should be happy and you have to make everyone happy. That's the real meaning, and that's the poet's inner feelings of this line. And next line, if you are a muskie, then just be a boss. See, actually, the poet wants to tell us, see, if you are a boss, if you are a muskie, muskie is the name of big fish. See, muskie is the name of big fish. If you are a muskie, if you can't be a muskie, then be a bass. Bass is also named of the fish, but it's a small fish. If you are not a muskie, then just you should be the bass. But whatever you are, you should be the best. The poet actually, this is the best poem. The poet gave his best. This is the best poem. From this poem, the poet wants to convey the message of bestness. If you, whatever you do, whatever you should have to make, or whatever you have to become, that should be best. It doesn't matter how you are, what you are. All the things, all the value and respect depends on your behavior and your character. So be the best. Your character and your behavior also should be the best. But live last happy in the lake. See, the poet, how he is explaining us. See, if you are a muskie, then just be a boss. If you are not a muskie, then just be a boss. But live happily in the lake and live long in the lake. See our now third stanza. We can't be all captains. We have got to be crew. There's something for all of us here. There's big work to do, and there's lesser to do, and the task you must do is the near. See, friends, here first of all I will tell you the meaning of crew. See, maybe you understood or not understood, I don't know, but I am explaining you the crew, the meaning of crew. Crew means in big oceans or rivers and seas, there is big sea ships. The sailors, the ship sailors, the crew means a person who works in ships, or a person who helps pilots or ship drivers. They are known as crew. Here it is given, see the meaning of crew. Sailors who work on ship. So friends, the poet, what is the poet telling is, see, we can't be all the captains. We have to get to be crew. Captain means the captain drive the ship. The person who drives the ship, he is known as the captain of the ship. Captain should be only one. We all could be a captain. We are not a captain. We should be a crew in the ship. We have got to be a crew in the ship. All members does not get the value or the job of captain, but we get crew. We has to be a crew, but be the best. If you are not a captain in the ship, if you are a crew, but you will also be the best. There's something for all of us here. आपल्यासाठी या जगामध्ये काहीतरी आहे. Anything or everything is for us. If you are not a crew, if you are not a captain, then should be a crew, but be the best. Everything, something is there for you, something else is waiting for you. The poet actually wants to tell us, don't be risky. You should have to encourage yourself, and you have to increase your self-confidence. And whatever you do, whatever you become, and whatever you decide, your decision, almost all the things and all the works should be the best. And the task you must do is the near. The thing, the future, your goal, your ambition, what you want to achieve is the near. It means the task is near to do. Then after, see friends, here we will see now fourth stanza and last stanza. If you can't be a highway, then just be a trail. If you can't be the sun, be a star. It isn't by size that you win or fail. Be the best of whatever you are. See, if you are not a highway, the road which is made by gitty concrete is called, and damper is called highway. If you are not a highway, then just be a trail. Trail means the roads which is made by mud and sand, stones. It means, in one word, I want to tell you that the roads in villages, they are called as trails. If you can't be a highway, then be the trail. But whatever you are, you should be the best. If you can't be the sun, be a star. If you cannot become a sun of your village or of your country, then you should be a star. But be the best of what you are. Then see, third line of fourth and last stanza. It isn't by size that you win or you fail. It doesn't decides according to your size or your value, dignity. It decides upon whatever you are and what is your mind. Your braveness decides your win and your failure. So friends, if you are don't feel your size is low, your height is low, that doesn't decides your winning success or failure. It decides according to your braveness and your intelligence, so and so. Friends, this is our first video of this lesson, and in our next video we will see the questions and the warming up I have already completed. In our next video we will complete our English workshop. So friends, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe our channel and share to all the students who are interested in studies. So friends, thank you. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.